Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing an Among Us character. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artist, today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hey there.
Mateo is a 8-year-old and he's gonna help me draw this Among Us character. It's one of his favorites. Okay, we're gonna start here in the middle of the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is kind of like the mask that he's wearing. Okay, so I want to start here doing kind of like a letter C shape, and this letter C is wide and big, like that.
Among Us characters are actually astronauts. So technically this is just the glass.
Yeah, exactly.
Of their suit.
Thank you. Now we're gonna do a big oval shape and we're gonna connect from side to side. So where I'm gonna go is on the top, and then I'm gonna curve and come back and connect with this one.
Kind of looks squarish oval.
Yeah, square shovel. Is that a word?
Squarish oval. I just invented a new word.
Now we're gonna do a line that goes from this corner and goes down like this. We're gonna do it a little longer. And now we're gonna do to this side, and we're gonna leave about 2 finger space, and you can even put a dot here to guide yourself. Okay.
2 finger space. What one dot though?
Do you really need to make those voices? And now from the point that we just did here, we're gonna go down to reach the same distance as this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go down, and I want to make sure it kind of like going the same distance than this. Now we're gonna do a curve that goes to the right, so we're gonna curve, and I want to stop right there where the visor starts. And now we're gonna see the same thing in the other side. We're gonna curve and make sure that you're gonna have a space in between. And now we're gonna go up, but this we're gonna do a round corner. So we're gonna round corner. Now we're gonna go from this corner and we're gonna cross both lines like this. There, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna do the top of the head. I want to start with this side, and we're gonna go up and curve, and we're gonna stop right here where the visor starts. From this corner, we're gonna go up, and remember, we're gonna leave a space here. So leave a space open right here. We're gonna do 3 curves in this opening. And the first curve is just gonna be like a simple letter U, and we're leaving the space next to the letter U. Now we're gonna do another curve that goes up this way, and a second one that goes up this way.
No, you have to say, holy guacamole and chips for lunch today.
Okay. Now we're gonna go up and repeat these shapes here. So we're gonna start with an upside down letter U.
Looks weird, but that's exactly how it's gonna look.
Then we're gonna do 2 more. The same thing that we did here. We're gonna go 1 and 2. These ones are a little wider.
No, it just like the puppy pumpkin.
Okay, the last one, we're gonna do a last one that's gonna go long and it's gonna connect down here. So we're gonna go from here, we're gonna go long and connect down here.
Say woo.
And the other side, the same thing. We're gonna go from up here, we're gonna go right long down. And if you guys still have room, you just need to connect these lines here with the head. Now we're gonna put a mean face to this pumpkin, okay? So we're gonna go here in the middle, and I'm gonna go with a line that goes down, and we're gonna put a curve underneath, and we're gonna fill this with black.
You can make a face if you want, like.
Yeah, you guys can change your draw if you want to. This is just an idea. I wanna do the same thing in the other side. A line, diagonal line, and black underneath.
Mom, remember this little lump here?
Yep.
Well, this is how it's gonna come in handy. I'm gonna make an eyeball on the top. I'm gonna do it.
Nice. Okay. And then we're gonna go, I'm gonna make a mouth. You can skip this part if you don't want to. I'm just gonna go with a line, and I wanna show a teeth right here.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1.
Good. Perfect. Yes, you did your mouth differently. And then we're gonna do the stem of the pumpkin, and this stem is just gonna go 1 curve, 2 curves, and on the top we're gonna close with an oval shape.
Ooh, yeah. When I used to make, yeah.
Yep. And the last thing we're forgetting almost is the backpack. Okay, so the backpack, we're gonna go here in the middle of the back, and we're just gonna curve, go down, and curve again. And there, that's it. We finished this Among Us picture. Then we did it with a pumpkin, so it's more like a Halloweenish, right? Ready for Halloween. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. We choose different colors for the character. I went for orange, so it makes look more like fall and Halloweeny. And Mateo went for his favorite color, which is blue. What else did you add there, Mateo?
I added this. I decided to make it an eyeball.
A third eyeball?
Exactly.
Yeah? Yeah, good. Okay, so the other thing we added at the end was this little candy, also for Halloween. You can add a background if you want, or you can add different things here on the floor, or you can just leave it as you have it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.